Hello, everyone. Meet Laura. She is a university student who earns extra income every month without doing much at all. If you want to know what Carla does, stay with me and learn about the site Pawns.app, where you can easily make money by completing surveys, trying out games, and sharing your internet. The main website interface looks like this upon entry. You need to create an account. You will find the site link in the description, and you will also receive a $3 bonus, $1 of which is immediate, and the rest when you cash out the first and second payments. This is what the site looks like from the inside. You will find some options that we will get to know in detail. The first way you can earn money from the site is through games, which is a new feature, and the method of earning from it is very simple. You just need to explore the available games and you will find instructions to follow. Sometimes you will be asked to download the game, open it, and try it out to earn, and at other times the earnings will increase as you reach a certain level in the game. The second way to earn is through surveys, and it's very simple. You will find surveys available from time to time. All you have to do is enter them and answer the questions, and you will have completed the survey. Here we find the payment methods section, and there are several payment options, but they vary from one country to another. All you have to do is select your country, and you will find all the available payment options. Also, after this, we will find another way to earn money, which is through referring friends. You will get $3 for each referral and earn $1 every time your friend withdraws. You will also receive 10% of the amount your friend withdraws. There is another way to earn money, and it is the easiest because you literally do nothing. You will share your internet connection and earn money for it. This method is not available on the website. You need to download the app on your computer or phone to activate it. When you download the app and log into your account, you will find it in this form. When you enable the sharing feature, you will start earning automatically. You will see the sharing box in green, which means it is active. You can also see your balance here, and the minimum payout is only $5. Additionally, you will find your referral link on the main page to use it whenever you need it. When you download the app and enter it from your phone, you will find its interface like this. The first thing you will see is the internet sharing button, which allows you to turn internet sharing on or off. Below, you will see your balance, and when you reach the minimum payment threshold of $5, you can click on the payment request to send the money to you. In this section, you will find surveys that will enable you to earn money. And at the top of the page, you will find the highest earnings for the day. There's a section called Quests, which is an important option for earning money, as you will earn points for completing various daily, weekly, and monthly tasks. For example, you can earn 2 points daily by checking their TikTok account, and you can also earn 20 points weekly by sharing a minimum of 24 hours online. You can check your earnings in the rewards section. Additionally, in the lucky draw section, you will find another way to earn points, which depends on luck. You can convert points into money or use them to spin the Wheel of Fortune and earn more points or additional rewards. In the community section, you will find your referral link mentioned earlier, and you can also take advantage of the ready-made posts and use them to invite friends on social media. Hurry to register and take advantage of the November offer that gives you double profits. That was all. You will find the registration link in the description, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to receive future videos.